Also, after 1 year, exactly 1 year, I discovered that my UV lamp, my ultraviolet lamp, was pretty much dead. You can see that the electrodes are way burned. This is actually metal coating that the electrode have, and after a while they ended up on the glass, ended up being deposited on the glass. It's a normal phenomenon. So what I did was I ordered a replacement, a T8 15 watt, identical, and now I'm going to replace on the housing for the filter. It's actually a pretty simple filter. This 40 millimeters PVC holds the lamp with this rubber O-ring. It goes right here and prevents the lamp to even touch the uh, external pipe, and also keeps sealed with a water seal. So I'm going to be installing the new lamp here, and then I'm go back to recording. So here it is. Already assembled everything, tested. It's working. It's not line up. And by the way, don't look directly into the light. Use your cell phone like I'm doing. You look on the screen, not on the actual light, because it can damage your eyes. The rubber seal goes here with a screwdriver. It is quite easy to push it in there. I also use a little bit of oil, so working the way it should. Now I can do the water test, pass some water through to see if there's no leakings. I might as well turn this off because it's getting warm, so I know that everything is working the way it should. The ballast is alright. It's not, isn't heating. First time I turned on, the lamp was flicking. So what I did was I took the connections out and I gave it a bit of a cleaning with some paper, and took care of it. Oh, now that I'm sure that everything is working the way it should, filters back on, same place. You can see here that it is actually powered up and it's working the way it should. No leakings, by the way, over here.